Ever felt like you're running on empty, with your mind and body screaming for a break? Burnout is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. It's as if life has lost its color, leaving you feeling drained, unable to meet constant demands and struggling to find motivation. Understanding burnout is the first step towards recovery. It's not merely being tired or stressed. It's a state of chronic exhaustion, where you feel overwhelmed and unable to meet the demands of life. It's a wake-up call, a sign that something important in your life is not working. The first stage of recovery is acceptance. Accepting that you're dealing with burnout and not just everyday stress is crucial. It's recognizing that your well-being matters, and that it's okay to step back and take care of yourself. The second step is disconnecting. This means stepping away from the stressors that contribute to your burnout. It could be work, a toxic relationship, or even social media. Disconnecting allows your mind and body to rest and start the healing process. The third step is seeking support. You don't have to face burnout alone. Reach out to loved ones, a mental health professional, or a support group. Sharing your experiences and feelings can be therapeutic and can provide you with a fresh perspective and practical advice. The fourth step is reevaluating your goals and priorities. What led to your burnout? Were you taking on too much? Were you neglecting your needs for the sake of others? These are tough questions, but they're necessary for your recovery. The fifth step is implementing healthy coping strategies. This includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and activities that bring you joy. It's about creating a healthy routine that supports your well-being and reduces stress. The final step is patience. Recovery from burnout doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, and like all journeys, it has its ups and downs. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and remember that it's okay to have bad days. In summary, recovery from burnout involves recognizing and accepting your condition, disconnecting from stressors, seeking support, reevaluating your goals and priorities, implementing healthy coping strategies, and being patient with your recovery process. Remember, it's not about how fast you recover, but how well you recover. You're not alone in this journey, and it's okay to ask for help. Burnout is a serious condition, but with the right steps and support, recovery is within reach. You deserve to live a life that's colorful, fulfilling, and free from burnout. So take a step back, breathe, and start your journey towards recovery today. As we all know, everyone's journey is unique. Your burnout recovery process might look different from someone else's, and that's perfectly okay. The most important thing is that you're taking steps towards a healthier, happier you. If you're finding it difficult to navigate your recovery journey alone, or if you just need some extra support, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. You can contact me at anvoracoaching@gmail.com for personalized, step-by-step assistance in your burnout recovery. Remember, recovery isn't a race. It's about finding what works best for you, and I'm here to help you discover that. So take that brave step forward, and let's conquer burnout together.